What's up everyone, I'm Scotty, helping you out with a few helpful tips. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe so you can see more helpful videos like this one. In this video I'm going to show you how to fold your dress shirts for travel and how to prevent wrinkles. Do me a favor, like this video and let's get into it. Start with your dress shirt, lay it down on a flat surface face down and smooth out as many of the wrinkles as possible. Once you have all the wrinkles smoothed out as much as possible, you're going to grab one of the sleeves and fold it down towards the bottom corner and then fold it up towards the collar, keeping your shoulder crease as crisp as possible. Grab your other sleeve, fold it down, and then bring it back up again towards the collar, meeting somewhere in the middle of the t-shirt. It should be symmetrical on both sides at this stage. Now grab either side of the shirt and fold it towards the middle, just over the sleeve where you just folded it. Do the same thing with the other side. Now grab the bottom of your shirt and you're going to be folding it up into thirds. So fold it about to the halfway mark and then fold that up again over itself, meeting up at the collar. There you have it, a perfectly folded, crisp, white dress shirt. Bonus tip, grab a belt if you're going to be traveling and stuff. This is not only going to hold the shape of your collar, but it's also going to come in handy when you need to keep your pants on your waist. Alrighty, let me know what you think in the comments below and like this video if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching.